Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys my morning routine, and I wanted to be super honest about it and actually like do it in the morning and not like in the middle of the day and like redo my morning routine. So I usually wake up. I'm never this awake. My husband had to go into the office today. He was talking to me before he left, so I like got up to like see him leave and stuff like that. But normally like I'm still in bed at this point. I did pee. I had to pee really bad, so I went to go pee. And I already saw my pups this morning, but so I normally wake up and I go on my phone and I scroll through Instagram or whatever. I look at my email. I haven't even locked my phone yet. It's hard to do it with one hand, you know. What a horrible view. Why am I even showing you guys this awful view of my face? Well, this is what my husband sees every day of his life. So, I just do my morning scroll, you know. I'll show you guys my phone. Oh, what time is it? It's 8:56 a.m. Do you guys see that? So you know I'm not lying. Okay, so let's just pretend that I went through my phone because I don't think you guys want to sit here and watch me scroll. I will tell you this. Days like today are very different than other days. So most days my husband works from home. And so he would be inside the office already, and he would have made me a coffee, and we would be sitting next to each other for the whole day, hanging out. But he actually had to go into the office today. He only goes in the office like 2 days a week, and today was day, and yesterday it snowed, so it took him like forever to like get the car out because our driveway was a whole sheet of ice. But anyway, irrelevant. So that's why I was already like up out of bed, back in bed to film this. You know what I mean? But anyway, so, and also on days that I go into work, which is like 2 to 3 days a week, I normally would get up and immediately shower, brush my teeth, do my hair and do my makeup, and then like I'm ready for work, and I go to work. But today I'm home, so I'll be working on my YouTube videos all day and stuff like that, so I don't feel like doing YouTube videos today. I'm doing one right now. So anyway, let's get going. I'll show you guys, you know, the rest of my morning. I don't have any lights on. Did I show you guys Simba? I think I showed you guys Simba. There's my Simba. I've had Simba since I'm in this 3rd grade. I'm now 32. Okay. Let's get going. So I sleep with a night garden. Can you guys see it? It's like the metal stuff that's like out here. I sleep with that in because I grind my teeth so bad. Like, I think it's because I'm in charge of our finances, plus, what's going on with my hair? Plus, I'm a small business owner. Like, I think I'm just like stressed in life very much. And so it comes out at night when I grind my teeth. And so I have to do this because I've worn away most of the enamel on my teeth. So this is our bedroom. You guys have seen this before. That's our bedroom. And then this is our bathroom. You guys have definitely seen this room before because I've been filming in here lately. Woo! Whoa, girl. I always sneeze in the morning. Then I turn on the water. I take out my night guard. And I really should brush it, but I'm not going to brush it today because I only have one hand on the camera and one hand on my night guard. So I'm going to give it a nice rinse. Oh, I'm so gross today. I'm so gross. Give it a nice rinse, and then I'm going to go put it back in its case. I definitely have to blow my nose, so I'll probably do that like right now. But that's why you come here, right? For the real shit, not for the fake shit. Then I do my teeth. I brush my teeth. Got my electric toothbrush. Sorry, should I like have the camera down so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing? Here, let's get so artsy on this one. Can you guys see? Guys, let's just talk. This is not sponsored, but I will say a few things. One is I highly recommend these little guys that go on the back of your toothpaste because it just gives you the most bang for your buck. And I also highly recommend the Steri-Pods. I think they have like baking soda in them or something like that, and it just makes it like keeps your toothbrush not gross. You know what I mean? All right. I hate brushing my teeth. I usually walk around the entire house when I brush my teeth, but today I'll spare you guys and I won't. Or I'll just cut off some of this. But let's get into this. Okay, so I also just ran water on my face and like wiped it down because I like to do that in the morning when I don't shower because I showered last night. So I wanna come back and just say something because I just said how I hate brushing my teeth, and I want to say I don't hate brushing my teeth. I actually love the way my teeth feel after. I can't even think. If my teeth aren't brushed, I can't think. I get like a headache. Totally random, but I was recently diagnosed with ADHD, and they say you're like hypersensitive to things, and I feel like I'm like hypersensitive to like my not having my teeth brushed. I'm also like highly allergic to like everything, and I feel like it all has to do with ADHD. But anyway, yeah, so like some people like to eat breakfast first in the morning and then brush their teeth. Like the thought of that makes me want to throw up. If that's like your thing, that's cool, but like it's not my thing. I can't. I have to brush my teeth. Like it grosses me out so much, and like I literally get a headache. I also really enjoy cleaning my ears in the morning, so I'll do that now for you guys. This is something I would normally do. So I like to lick this because my ears are not currently wet, and then I just like to clean my ears. You know what I like to do also? I like to take the loofah when I'm in the shower, and I put my finger through like one of the nets. When I wash, this is only when I wash my hair. I put my finger through one of the nets and I like put it in my ear and like clean my ear. I don't advise because I'm not explaining it well and I don't want anybody to puncture their eardrum, so I don't advise you doing that. But I just love it because I feel like I really like clean my ears. I think the reason why I'm all about cleaning my ears all the time is because I don't clean my hair every day, and so my ears kind of get like neglected. So I feel like I have to clean them every day. Like multiple times a day if they're like bothering me, which again, I never even thought of it, but that's probably an ADHD thing too. All right, so let's take this into the next room. I'm pretty much done in the bathroom for this morning. I'll probably poop around 12. Gotta get that 12 o'clock poop in. And then, yeah, so let's keep it going. Hi, girlies. Hi. Hello. That's where we normally work. This used to be my desk, but now we use it to prepare food because we don't have a kitchen. So now this is my desk with my husband. He's normally in this chair and I'm in that chair. But anyway, this is the office slash dog room slash kitchen. This is the side of the house that is not done yet. Dun, 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 dun. This will be the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, and then we have a bathroom slash laundry room in there. This is what it looks like now. This was the old existing part of the house. So if you guys have been on my channel for a while, this is where I used to film all my YouTube videos, when you used to see like a yellow background or something like that. Almond milk. Alright, so that's this room. Isn't it crazy in here? Ooh, it's crazy. Alright, let's keep it going. I'm gonna go back. So this is all new, the new part of the house. Who knew this was gonna be like a house tour as well? Alright, this is getting difficult. So I am going to make myself my coffee. I'm going to sit at this computer desk for the next few hours, and that's going to be my morning. So I will see you guys. I'll see you guys later. I'll give you all an update on how my day is going. I put on a sweatshirt because I was freezing.
My mouse didn't have any batteries in it, so I had to borrow some from my mom. She lives upstairs. Outside is a literal sheet of ice, so that was probably the most challenging thing of my morning, was just walking from my front door to her front door. Let's see. Then she asked me if I wanted to go see Fleetwood Mac, and I said yes because I love Fleetwood Mac. I don't know how many people here know who Fleetwood Mac is, but I love Fleetwood Mac. And then I thought I'll work on YouTube videos today, and then I realized that I have an entire list of things that I need to do that do not include YouTube videos. Let me show you. This, this, and this, and then my YouTube videos are here. Sorry, I don't want you guys to like see exactly what I'm up to. I want it to be like, oh, I'm not sure. I know you're up to something. I forgot to mention the most important thing in this whole video is that we hit 5,000 subscribers. It is 100% crazy and mind-blowing to me to know that there are 5,000 people who have not only watched my videos, but have come back for more. That is amazing. So thank you guys so much. I really, really, really appreciate all your love and support. It is unbelievable. Thank you. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye.